Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debloat the Brave browser and reduce its CPU and memory usage. Whether you're noticing Brave slowing down your computer or you simply want a faster, smoother browsing experience, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Brave browser and click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Extensions. Here, take a look at all the extensions you've installed and either disable or remove any that you don't need. Unnecessary extensions can eat up a lot of memory, so getting rid of them is a great first step. Next, go back to the menu and click on Delete Browsing Data. Switch from basic to advanced options and choose the time range you want to clear. You can go for the last hour, the last 24 hours, or even your entire browsing history. Then select the types of data to delete, like cache, cookies, browsing history, passwords, or autofill data, and confirm. Clearing all this data can significantly improve performance and free up memory. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure Brave is fully closed before you clear data, and double-check which extensions you really need. Doing this beforehand can save time and help prevent any surprises. Finally, go to Settings, then System, and disable both Use Graphics Acceleration when available, and continue running background apps when Brave is closed. This helps reduce CPU and memory usage even further. As an extra bonus, you can enable the memory saver option at the bottom, which frees up memory from inactive tabs for even faster performance. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to debloat Brave and enjoy a faster, smoother browsing experience without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it.